Hey there! Ready to dive into dropshipping but not sure where to start? Don't worry, I've got you covered. This is Dropshipping 101, your ultimate guide for beginners. Let's get into it. First off, what is dropshipping? It's a business model where you sell products without holding inventory. Your supplier ships products directly to your customers. Sounds cool, right? Let's break it down to easy steps. Step 1. Choose a niche. Think about what you're passionate about or what's trending. It could be anything from fitness gear to kitchen gadgets. A focused niche helps target the right audience. Step 2. Find a reliable supplier. Use platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, or Spocket. Look for suppliers with good reviews and fast shipping. Building a strong relationship with your supplier is key. Step 3. Set up your online store. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce make it easy. Choose a clean, user-friendly theme. Make sure your store looks professional and trustworthy. Step 4. Add products to your store. High-quality images and detailed descriptions can make a big difference. Highlight the benefits and features of each product. Make it irresistible for your customers. Step 5. Set competitive prices. Research your competitors and find a sweet spot. Your pricing should cover all costs and still leave you with a profit. But remember, don't undervalue your products. Step 6. Market your store. Use social media, influencer partnerships, and paid ads to get the word out. Instagram, Facebook, and Google ads are great places to start. Consistent marketing helps build brand awareness. Step 7. Provide excellent customer service. Respond to inquiries quickly and professionally. Good customer service can turn one-time buyers into repeat customers. Happy customers are your best marketers. And there you have it, the basics of dropshipping. Choose a niche, find a supplier, set up your store, add products, price them right, market your store, and offer great customer service. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to building a successful dropshipping business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy dropshipping. End of video.